welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing an eye look, and my eye look is going to be using the MUA palette, which is called the Green Goddess. And this is one of the 15 shade palettes. There's quite a few of these out in the collection, but this is one that I hadn't picked up before. I picked it up last week, and I thought, when I've seen it online, it's not looked like this. It's very, very difficult to see what something looks like online when you are shopping. So I thought, I'm going to buy this and I'm going to give it a go and see how we get on. I don't normally wear green. You guys know I have greeny coloured eyes. I've actually got hazel eyes, but they are predominantly green. And cool greens look absolutely shocking on me. Totally shocking. So we're going to dip into this and see what I can come up with. So as you can see, no mirror. So I'm going to be doing a bit of advertising for the rival company today, I'm afraid. Oh, it's alright, I just need to open my legs a bit, see if I can get that all the way in. Sorry guys, I've got just an empty coffee tin that I stick my brushes in when I bring it down. That's what I was talking about. Nothing rude, alright? So any of you that are like, know what you were talking about? No, that isn't what I was talking about. Right, okay, so I've got my mirror from the Tammy palette. So I'm going to be putting a base on. I have already put a base on, but for the purposes of video, I'm going to be using shade number 1, which is this shade down here, this shade up here, which is a white, sort of whitey coloured, a creamy coloured base colour. So just pop that all over. The primer that I've used on to my lid is Core by Revolution Pro, which is one of my favourites. I will say I have used the magnetise as well. I'm not as keen on the magnetise because it doesn't seem to blend as well as the Core. It's more... I know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I'm going to try and go for a natural look today. So I'm going to be using this colour here, which is shade 9. I'm going to use that to try and build up my crease. So let's just have a look and see how she fares. Okay, so she's quite a pale colour. Can't see her, but she's a transition shade, a crease shade. So it doesn't need to be overly pigmented, but that is there. My Zoe brush needs a good clean. It's not dirty. It's not. It's just stained a bit. I need to sort that out. So there we go. That's quite a good colour. So just pop that in the other eye as well. I have noticed lately that my eye makeup takes nowhere near as long as what it used to. That's in there like so. Okay, so what else are we going to put in there? I'm going to use this greeny colour here, which is shade... Why did I have to look at that to know it's shade 2? It's obvious it's shade 2, it's the second one in. So I'm just going to use that also in my crease, just to build that up a little bit. That's okay, it doesn't look too bad, not with my eye colour. It's actually making my eye colour pop a little bit. Just blending that in. So you've got this lovely green tinge. So because of my hooded eyes, I have to get right into that crease in there. There's a bit of fallout. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. But they are the only two. Well, there's a black. I could put a little bit of black, shade 15. I could put a little bit of this into my outer corner. In fact, I'll use a pencil brush. Yeah, I'll use a pencil brush and put a little tiny amount in. That's really darkened that up. Okay, so let's just blend that out with a tapered blending brush. Like so. This is very, very rare for me to look like this. So I'm going to use a touch of shade 12. Let's get It's got like a wet formula to it. I love it when it's got like a wet formula. I always think it's better to work with when it's nice and wet. Show you what I mean by it's got like this it has got an almost wet feel to it. Got some fallout there, but then I'm not surprised because of the amount of product I've got on the brush. Just about to dip into the Tammy palette. I'm going to go in my unicorn brush actually. Let's see if I can get it to work better with my unicorn brush. Ooh, it's hard panning. That's the only problem with these wet ones, they can hard pan so quick. That's hard pan. See what I mean by hard pan? It's already getting a hard layer on top. Okay. We will get there. Pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to go for this green here, number 13. I'm going to go for that. Let's just see how we get all that in the packet on. Oh my word. Oh my word. Right, okay. That has picked up a huge amount of product. Oh, look at that colour. prefer it to that goldy colour, actually, bronzy colour. Okay, let's get that blended out. So much fallout, I'm going to have to go and conceal. Definitely going to have to go and conceal because there is so much fallout in there. And now it looks like that it's on my eye, it's kind of like disappeared to nothing. Let's just back it on again. Under my eye, I'm going to use this sort of silvery colour, which is sort of more like a gunmetal grey. They are very, very powdery. I'm going to use this colour up here, number 3, only because it's quite a cool colour and I didn't want to bring any warmth into it, to be honest. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this detail brush and I'm going to use this colour here, number 6. You can see what I mean? It is really, really crumbly. It's really difficult not having the mirror in it to use as well. Bit. Clean that up. Still keep trying to dig into Tammy's palette. I'm going to use my finger, just my little finger. Just go in there. See if this works better. Yeah, that's better. That's better application. There we go. Not sure if I like that or not. So I'm just going to put my eyeliner and that on, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I am done, and this is the finished look that I've done on my eyes. So I'll give a zoom in. Hate doing this where you zoom in on my eyes, but I had to clean up all around here, and I had to redo everything, like contour blush it up, because it had just gone all over my face. But this is what it actually looks like. I think it's quite a pretty look. I don't think it's too bad with my green eyes, if I'm honest. So let's just zoom you back out again. Oh, hello, somebody sent me a message. So, yeah, this is what this looks like. So, do I like it? I sort of do, and I sort of don't. I like the colours. The colours are really, really pretty. I just don't... They're just very, very difficult to apply and difficult to work with. I mean, as for swatching, they are glorious. I mean, you can see they are really good for swatching wise, but this one was really, really difficult to keep on the eye. But it's £5, so you can't really complain at a £5 palette. And I don't normally wear greens, as I have said so many times, again and again and again. I'm actually quite pleased with how this turned out. It's not too cool. It's not too... I'm trying to think. It's not too intense that it takes away from my actual eye colour. I'm quite happy with that. And I'm quite happy with how it turned out with the lip and everything. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that was a look that you, if you want to recreate it and let me know how you get on, please do. I'm all for people recreating what other people do. And letting them know how they get on, etc. And it's always lovely to see that you're aspired to something that us guys on YouTube do. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, then please do, and I will see you in the next video. So ta-ta for now. Bye bye.